Hi, this is Greg Lowe. This is another video in the SDU Tools series. This tool is called Script Table. In several of the tools that we're currently building, we needed the ability to create a script so that we could recreate a table at will. In addition, I wanted to be able to script a table for use in replication, where maybe the output schema and/or the output table name would be different to the one that's actually being scripted. So in this case, we're scripting from the Wide World Importers database, the Sales Orders table, and I'm scripting it out as in-house sales schema and customer orders. Now, in terms of data compression, you can just say same, and it'll make it the same as whatever the first partition is in the source table. Alternately, you can say none or row or page and force it that way. You can also choose to script collations in general. I think they're the spawn of the devil and not something I want to script, but it is possible to cause that to come out as well. You have the option to use base types. Now, I find this useful if I'm scripting things, for example, in replication, where the source system is using its own alias types. Then in that case, I could say, look, yes, do the script, but just don't use the funky types they're using. Go back to the base types. Alternately, you could use the same types. I can also force ANSI nulls on for the table. So even if the source table had ANSI nulls off, we could choose to script it with ANSI nulls on, and the same with ANSI padding. You've also got some control over how the script itself is generated. So we can, in this case, say 4 spaces in for the list of columns. And in this case, I've said 0, but this is how far indented is the script itself. And finally, the way we call this is that we need to have an output variable, and in this case I've declared one up here as script, and it will place the script that it generates in that location. So let's execute this with a set no count on as well, and take a look at the script that's produced. And so in this case, note we have set ANSI nulls on and set ANSI padding on because we chose to override those. We've then got the definition of the table with the replaced schema and table name. And the other thing that we do is we do script the primary keys, the primary key, singular, that is there in the table, but we don't script any foreign keys or unique constraints or any of the other constraints. We're going to have a separate tool for scripting the constraints. We hope you find this tool useful. For more information on SDU Tools and for a link to download them, please visit our site at sqldownunder.com.